So since we are planning to sell some bracelet for cats, let's see, we sell cat bracelets for cat lovers. That's perfect. But this is just to show you guys how to fill it up. So we are not gonna fill it everything here, literally everything, not everything. Okay, so just gonna choose some box that we can fill in. So here they really ask so much questions that I'm really sick with. So let's click back. At least I showed you guys what happens if you activate Stripe on your Shopify store. So let's go back. After checking this, everything is great. Everything is great. Okay, we had already. So let's go back to settings. So let's go to checkout. So here, we can edit everything happens on the fulfillment process. So let's click checkout. So here we are gonna on the customer accounts. Please make sure to choose, or I mean to change it to accounts are optional. So let's click accounts are optional in the customer contact. We can just leave it. So in the form options, require first and last name. Please, we get the full details of the customers. So here, let's check that. So here, policy, the terms already been provided by Shopify. All we're gonna do is just gonna click generate sample privacy. Gonna check it if we are gonna change something from it from what it has been said. So it's already good. So let's click save. Everything is great. So now we can check it back just to make sure everything had been filled up. Everything is looks good. Terms, policies, everything. Here is already great. Everything here is already great. Actually, Shopify had already done the job for you. All you have to do is just only to activate it, publish it, advertise it to make some money. Okay? So let's go back to settings. So now let's go to shipping. So if you want to give a free shipping, scroll down to zone and rates and remove current shipping zones. So here the zone name, let's go back, check it here. So actually there is a process where some sellers do. This is free plus shopping. So they're just gonna give away the product, but all the customers gonna do is just gonna pay for the um shipping fee. But for me, actually, I usually do is only to give a free shipping promo to my customers and not stuffs like that because it's for me it's not fitting for me. But for you, if you would love to have that kind of scheme, that would not be a problem. So let's click edit. So here let's change the zone name. So it would be United States since we are gonna drop ship on the United States. We're gonna add a country. Let's let's click United States. That's perfect. Let's add rate. So here, this is where we are gonna click the free shipping rate box. It's done. Weight based rates. So here we can edit this. We can take it off. Add a new one. Let's put here 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. Minimum and maximum for 1 kilogram. So here on the name it would be a free shipping. So let's click free shipping rate. It's done. Okay, so let's check everything here if it's already done. So let's click save. So here let's check. Is everything fine? Yeah, let's go back. So here we have some settings that we can edit. We have the taxes, notifications, files, sales channels, accounts, billing, but for this certain moment we are not gonna touch that since it is not really what we can need for this certain moment. So let's go back to apps. So we are gonna have install a app which would send um, emails to our probable customers or future customers. So this would be an app that we can use for our email campaigns. So let's click MailChimp. Type in MailChimp. So now let's look for MailChimp for Shopify. MailChimp is actually free, so you don't need to pay anything for it. It will be really useful for your store. So here you can make an email campaign, you can create campaign, you can make emails that you want to send to your email list that you would have.